Hello everyone, I am Ankita Pawar, welcoming you to the heart of modern economy where efficiency met the innovation. Welcome to the world of logistic management. Imagine a symphony orchestra, each instrument playing its part in a perfect harmony. That's the logistic management, orchestrating the movement of goods from point A to point B seamlessly, efficiently, and economically. Today we are diving into this dynamic world to uncover the secrets. Join me on this journey as we explore the intricate dance of supply chain and the art of inventory management. Get ready to unlock the power of logistic management. Now let's see what is the logistic management. Logistic management refers to the process of planning, implementing and controlling the flow of goods and services and the information between the point of origin and the point of consumption in order to meet the customer requirement efficiently. It involves the coordinating various activities such as procurement, transportation, warehousing, inventory management and distribution to ensure that products are deliverable to the right place at the right time and in the right condition. Effective logistic management aims to minimize the cost, optimizing the resources, enhance the customer satisfaction and improve overall efficiency within organization supply chain. Now let's start with the components of logistic management. The vital field encompasses the several key components. The very first is transportation, moving the product from where they are made to where they are needed using a mix of mode like train, truck, ship and plane. The second one is warehousing and storage, safely storing the goods until they are needed, optimizing the space and logistic operation. The third one is inventory management, keeping the right amount of stock to meet the customer demand without overstocking or stock out. The fourth one is order fulfillment, the complete process from receiving the order to delivery at the customer doorplace. And the fifth one is demand planning, forecasting the demand accurately to align inventory level and product schedule. So our next topic is importance of logistic management. Let's start this topic by answering the question, why is logistic management critical? So the answer is, as it directly impacts customer satisfaction and cost efficiency by ensuring timely deliveries and maintaining the product quality, businesses can build the trust and loyalty among their customers. Efficient logistics can also reduce operational cost, waste and environmental impact, making the operations lean and green. Now let's talk about the challenges in logistic management. The first one is complex global supply chain. Imagine you want to buy a smartphone. Its parts might come from different countries like China, South Korea and Japan. Coordinating all these parts to come together at the right time and the place can be tricky. The second one is rapidly changing market demand. Let's say there's a suddenly high demand for electric cars. Company need to quickly adjust their logistics to get the right parts to make these cars, or they risk losing out on the sales. The third one is regulatory environment. Different countries have different rules for the importing and exporting the goods. Navigating these rules and ensuring the compliance can slow down the movement of the product. And the fourth one is the risk from natural disaster and geopolitical tension. A hurricane hitting a port or a political unrest disrupting the trade routes can cause the delay and disruption in getting the product where they need to go. In the conclusion, logistic management is like a glue that holds everything together in the world of operation and supply chain. Its main job is to make sure that products reach where they need to be exactly when they need it, and in the best possible ways. As we look ahead, it's clear that innovation and tackling challenges need heads-on are crucial. By coming up with the new ideas and solutions, and by finding the ways to overcome the obstacles, logistics will keep driving global businesses forward. So in simple terms, logistics is like the superhero of the business, making sure everything runs smoothly and everyone can be happy and successful. Thank you.